Yo, what's really good is the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am reviewing the ASICS GT 2160. I picked up two pairs, from these holiday sales. I had to pick up two pairs. We're going to go over the look, the fit, the sizing. We're going to give you an on feet, and it's only right that I give you some outfit ideas. Remember, when it comes to kicks, clothes, or cologne, I'm going to get you in your zone. Stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back, man. So I have my box right here, big boy box, you feel me? You know what time it is, man. You gotta take the trusty box cutter, give it a good old slice, and say it with me, we gotta peel it back, man. You know it's the holiday season, you see the sweater, man. You gotta peel it back, you know you got some heat on the way. So here we go. Like I said, I did pick up two pairs. Here we go, right here, as you can see inside, we got two ASICS boxes in here. So let's just go with the first pair. All right, first pair, standard ASICS box, you feel me, brown. Has like the kind of tannish ASICS logo on the front. And these right here, let's see. These are the white and pure silver GT 2160. Hopefully you guys can see that, but we have that in a size 10. Let's go ahead and open these joints up, man. Oh yes. So these are the Above the Clouds, I guess, collaboration that they did. Let me put this down so you can see. Right here we have the ASICS GT 2160 right here. Definitely a good looking shoe, white and pure silver. I really just like this shoe because I felt like I'll be able to wear this with pretty much anything. And I wanted to see it in person to see if it was like a white shoe. Is it a cream shoe? Is it a silver shoe? And this is, I would say this is majority a cream shoe. So this is majority cream. We have cream on the sole. We have cream laces. We do have a cream sock liner, and if you can see, we have some beige cream in that design on the back side as well. We do get some white mesh on the rear, so we do kind of have a little bit of contrast there. You got some white, you have some cream or beige, whichever you like to call it. And one thing that was pretty unique about this shoe is that the front toe box and some of the side is actually like a translucent, like a see-through type color. So when it comes to this, I mean, the socks that you have on will matter. So you want to come with the right socks. I'll probably just stick with white socks, but if you wanted to, go crazy and put like some red socks, you would get to see some of that red on the front. And let me go ahead and take this paper out. But yeah, we got the white or that cream insole right there, cream insole, ASICS logo on there. Bottom matching, we have a little bit of the of a hard plastic right there for that sole support. But overall, a good looking shoe. This is something that I'll probably wear more so during the summer, or when I have some shorts on, something like that, because this is kind of like just that comfortable training type shoe. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and get to the on feet portion for these joints right here. And right here, I do have the shoes on. Just loosening up the laces a little bit, but I didn't talk about the price. These were actually on sale, $56 off. You cannot beat that right here. And as you can see, I went ahead with the white stance socks. These are the quarters, so these aren't the crew socks, the ones that go a little bit higher, like around the calf. These are the lower ones right here, and I definitely like the way they look. I like that beige. I like the silver on these joints, man. Definitely a very comfortable shoe, and you will not get any creasing on that toe box area. Now that see-through portion of the shoe is very important. Like I said, The socks will matter just because you can see through the toe box on these joints. So this is what I decided to put on for you guys. And I do have the jeans on. This is a fit that I decided to put on. We have some gray jeans right here just to kind of play off of that silver that is in the shoe. I went ahead and put on the jeans. We got the shoes that are tied up, one loose, just so you can kind of see the difference on these joints right here. Went ahead and put on this shirt. Now this shirt is a Travis Scott shirt from his tour, Circus Maximus right there. Definitely looks good. Went ahead, threw that on with the Dodgers 940 snapback. You feel me? Definitely a good fit right here. And next up, let's go ahead and get it cracking. Alright, we have another ASICS box. This is the GT 2160, and this is the white and the Rose Rouge. White with the rose. Okay, white with the rose. Same thing. We got that white right there. 2160. Go ahead and open this joint up. Oh yes. And I did pick these up from Fresh Rags, Florida. So I believe they have a store in Florida. They went ahead and threw in a fresh sticker right here. You feel me? Actually, they threw in 2 of those joints. Here we go. We got another pair. Oh, this is kind of like a rose gold. Okay, now I'm seeing it. Here we go. We got the ASICS GT 2160 right here. Now this is that white with the rose gold right here. Definitely a good looking shoe. I like those hits of silver. You got a lot of silver right there in that front portion. And we have that rose all through the ASICS sign right here. We do have a lot of white on there. And I'm always a fan of white shoes because they look clean, you know. And so when you have a pair of shoes like this that look clean, the goal is to keep them clean. Right here at the bottom, we do have those kind of standard ASICS pods, and they are in that rose gold as well, so that matches with the ASICS symbol there. If you take a quick look at the insole, we have the GT 2160 insole right here. Insole is white, everything else is black on that joint, man. But yeah, the GT 2160s are a very comfortable shoe, and I have, let me see, I got these right here. I got these a while back as well. These are the GT 2160s also. This is in like a cream and a Kelly green colorway. So I got these to match with one of my Eagles jerseys, and yeah, that fit was just going crazy. But I am a fan of the GT 2160. Like, I know everybody likes the 1130, and I got some 1130s as well, but I don't know, it's just something about the 2160. It just has a little bit more support to me that I really like. But overall, this is a very clean looking shoe. Let me go ahead and put this on feet and show you what I would wear with these shoes. And right here, I do have the GT 2160. As you can see, these are a super clean, fresh pair of shoes right here. You can see I got these were $48 off, man. I always like to find a deal if I want to buy some shoes or a shirt or a hat. It has to be on sale, man. So we got the all white. We do have that silver right there. Went ahead, did one shoe loose. One we're going to just go ahead and tie it up just so we can get that different look. Yeah, definitely a very nice, comfortable shoe. I like these because these are very supportive. I did go with my true size, which is a size 10, and these fit perfectly right here. So the toe box on these, another one of those where you will not see any creasing or anything like that. You can be comfortable, you can walk normal, and you should be good to go. And the outfit that I put on right here, man, you know I can't resist some shorts. I do have the Fear of God shorts on right here with the Maya Girls Dem Sugar shirt right here. And it really matches perfectly when you come to that metallic in the hat. It matches with that gold really, really good. Remember, don't forget to let me know which pair of shoes was your favorite out of this pickup. Don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I got more heat coming. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.